Spec. Unit type. Starter relay, voltage, 12. Replaces OEM numbers, Arrowhead, SMU 6077, JN, 240-58005, Yamaha, 6B6-81940-0000. Compatible with, replacement for, Yamaha, 212 sulfur monosulfide, FAT 100-2008-2010, 212 sulfur monosulfide, XAT 1-800, 2012, 2015, 212 SS California, XAT 1-800, 2013, 2015, 212X, FAT 1-100-2008-2010, 212X, XAT 1-800, 2012, 2015, 212X California, XAT 1-800, 2013, 2015, 232 Limited, SXT 1-100, 2008, 2009, 232 Limited S, SXT 1-100, 2009, 242 Limited, SAT 1-800, 2015, 242 Limited, SXT 1-800, 2010, 2014, 242 Limited California, SAT 1-800, 2015, 242 Limited California, SXT 1-800, 2013, 2014, 242 Limited S, SAT 1-800, 2015, 242 Limited S, SXT 1800. 1-year warranty protects you after your purchase. We're confident that our products will work flawlessly once installed in your vehicle. But in a rare case that it does not, well, replace it anytime within 1 year of your order. If you have a problem, we will take every step to assist you. Contact us for a replacement. 100% new aftermarket starter relay built to meet OEM specifications for Yamaha. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement for my 2007 Yamaha Arkansas 210 jet boat. Dealer wanted $80 and this was a lot cheaper. Works like a champ. The only issue is the male brass wire push fittings, red and black wires, are slightly smaller than the original, but I just took some pliers and slightly squished the female fitting they plug into and it's perfect.